Good morning class. How are you all? Fine? Great. So you all are enjoying at home, enjoying your learning, enjoying your all the time which you are spending with your families, your elders? Great. So I hope you are learning a lot of things with your elders also. Good. So now it's time to start with our classes. Yes. So it's time to start with our classes for the date 21st July 2020. So today is 21st July 2020 and the day is Tuesday. Okay. Can anyone tell me why I am writing 7 here? 21st आज की date है. So why man has written 7 here? Can anyone tell me? Why I have written 7? 21 date है आज. Today is 21st. But 7 कहाँ से आया? From where I have written that 7? What is the meaning of that 7? 7 is the number for July month because July is the 7th month of the year. How? Let us see. So now we'll just revise quickly months of the year. So there are 12 months in a year. You all know that? So let us revise. Say with me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So which month is going on? July month. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from here we have written that 7. That means 7th month of the year is going on. Understood? How we write date? You have understood this pattern now? Good. And the day is Tuesday today. So what we are going to do now, which period is this? On Tuesday, your first period is your maths period. You all know your timetable now? So you all are sitting with your maths book and notebook? Good. So now what we are going to do today we are going to do the same topic which we have done in our previous class. So what we have done in our previous class, who will tell me? We have done what comes in between. So you remember how we did? Ma'am has drawn some shapes here. I have a triangle, a circle, a square. Then I have a smiley again in a circle form. So if I give you that triangle, one blank and a square. So which shape will come here? Yes class, you are going to write or you are going to draw a circle shape. Why? Because this is in between triangle and circle. So you remember we did in between. Between means बीच में. Yes. आपके राइट हैंड साइड पे भी कुछ है, आपके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे भी कुछ है and you are in between. That means in between the two objects. Now we are going to do this work with numbers. How we are going to do? With numbers. आज हम देखेंगे 2 numbers के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है. Clear? So to start this topic we are going to do it with the help of number line. What we are going to do with? Number line. So what is a number line? I'll teach you how to draw a number line. It is very easy and you all will love doing it. Okay? So look at the board how we can draw a number line. So first we have to draw a straight line. A straight line like this and we are going to put an arrow mark on both the sides. Clear? Now this number line begins with 0. 0, then 1, 2, 3, then I am going to write 4. We have to write counting like this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and it keep on going. ठीक है, ये हम 20 तक भी बना सकते हैं, 25 तक भी बना सकते हैं and keep on going till numbers. So this is called number line. What is this? Number line. Just say with me. Numbers on a line is called a number line. Understood all? Now we are going to do what comes in between with this number line. How? If I write 4, 1 blank and then I write 6. So, how you are going to tell me which number will come here? First, either we know counting or if we have a number line, we can refer on this number line also. How we can do that? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 and we have 4. So what is after 4? 5. And what is after that? 6. So which number is between 4 and 6? We have 4 and 6. So can you tell me the number that is between 4 and 6 here? The number is 5. Understood? Between means बीच वाला. Now this number line is till 11. लेकिन हमारी जो counting है, that is we have done till 100, but we cannot make a number line till 100. So this is one way of doing the concept. What comes before, between, or what comes after. But generally, when we have to do this, we should know our counting properly. You have to learn your counting so that it is easy for you to do it fastly. How now? Again, now if we write a bigger number, bigger number like if I say 39, then I leave a space and then I write the number 41. Can you tell me the number that comes between 39 and 41? I have given you two numbers. So which is the number that is coming after 39 but before 41? That is 40. Yes. 39, 40, 41. So which number I should write here? I am going to write 40. Understood all? Now, one more number if I give you one more example, like 65 and 67. So can you tell me the number that comes here? Which number I should write here? 65 and after that space is there and 1, then 67. So let us see the counting. 65, 66, 67. So which is the number I am supposed to write here? 66. Yes. So I'll write here 66. Is that clear to all of you? So there are two ways of doing this concept. What comes in between? It can be in the form of pictures as we have done in previous class. मैम ने आपको कुछ pictures draw करे थे, अभी revise भी किया हमने. Some shapes are there or different objects are there like leaf, tree. Isn't it? They are also called a pattern form. एक pattern भी होता है कई बार इसमें. But when we are doing it with numbers, there is no pattern in numbers. In numbers is what comes in between. मतलब आपको दो numbers दिए हैं. Ma'am has given you two numbers. But उनको लिखते वक्त मैम ने एक नंबर यहाँ से स्किप कर दिया बीच में, तो वो बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा? That is what comes in between. दो के बीच में. आपको you remember the concept side, center and between, जिसमें हमने डॉट्स लगाए थे, कॉइन्स लगाए थे मैम ने बोर्ड पे. सो बिटवीन मतलब दो के बीच में. आपको याद है ना, वी डिड इट बॉक्स ए और बॉक्स बी के बीच में हमने कॉइन लगाया था. दैट मीन्स इन बिटवीन. हमने आपको जगह बताई थी. बिटवीन मतलब दो चीजों के बीच में. सो दिस इज द सेम. द नंबर इन बिटवीन मतलब दो नंबर्स के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा. एंड यू ऑल नो योर काउंटिंग, सो इट इज वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू डू दिस वर्क. क्लियर? नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू हाउ यू हैव टू डू दिस वर्क इन योर बुक. So please open your book. I'll tell you the page number also. Just take out your book pencil, eraser, and please make sure use a sharpened pencil whenever you are doing your work. Clear? So sharpen your pencil, take out your eraser and open your book. So class, now open your numbers book 2. Clear? Your numbers book 2 on page number 78. So page number 78, and how you are going to start? First write today's date. That is 21st July 2020, like this, and you'll also write classwork here. Clear everyone? Now the question says write the number that will come between the given numbers. Matlab, you have been given a series of numbers and you have to write the number that comes in between. Understood everyone? So just see 38 and 40. So tell me the number that we need to write here. 39. So like this you are going to write 39. Understood? Now coming to the next one, 29. Then there is a space and 30. So which number will come here? The number that comes after 29 but before 31. So tell me which number should I write here? 30. So I'm going to write 30. Now 8-10. So just say the counting, 8-10. So what number should I write here in the space? 9. So we'll write 9. Now the number is 26-28. So which number needs to be written here? Yes, 27. So we'll write 27. 19-21. So which number? 20. Good. So we'll write 20 here. Now 12-14. So which number? 12-14. 13. Yes. So I'm going to write 13 here. I'm going to write 13. So this work to be done by you now. I have told you in this one line. Now these two to be done by you. Moving to the next page, that is page number 79. Okay. So here again you are going to write today's date, that is 21st July 2020, and this is again your classwork. Clear? So write the number that will come between the given numbers. Again the same thing. Now you have been given two numbers here and there is a space blank. So you have to tell which number will come between the two given numbers. So this is 65-67. So which number should I write here? 66. So I'm going to write 66. Clear all? Now 14-16. So the number comes after 14 is 15. And 15 comes before 16. So that means 15 is the number coming between 14 and 16. Clear all? Next, 71-73. So which is the number should I write here? Which number will come? 72. Yes. So now 96-98. Number to be written here. Yes, tell me. 97. Very good. So now 28-30. 29 will come here. And this is the one last time telling you. 69-71. So which number will come here? 69-71. 70. Yes, very good. So I have told you one from each page. Now these two will be done by you. Clear everyone? So just complete your work now. So I hope you have understood your work, how you have to do this work in your book. Clear everyone? everyone. So I'll just write the page numbers on the board also. So in book you have to do page number 78 and 79. So these are the two page numbers related to the concept what comes in between, which you have to do as I have just shown you. Clear all? So I hope the concept is pretty clear to all of you, and now you all are able to do this work. Bye everyone. Take care and we'll meet soon in the next class. Bye.